47 3/4. 47 3/4. Good thing that shit's magnetized. So basically right now on the cage, since the cage is round, that right now is going to cut basically as if it was half a moon. You know what I mean?
Oh, all right.
So make half a moon in there so that way one pipe can enter the other pipe and it'll be a tight fit. So you see we got it a little bit longer so that way I can notch where I got to notch. And again. Double measure, don't hurt. So 47 3/4. So right here is where when I have the bevel is going to be right here. Powered by Combi, you heard? Powered by the Combi. So basically I made the line, so now you want to know that your notch is going to be equal on both sides. So now you want that line inside of this triangular part. You can see how there's like a triangle here.
Yeah.
See, now you got your notching. Level it, tighten it up. Just want to be sure 100%. I should have the steering column hopefully later on, so that way I know. So I'm gonna basically build the support from the steering column off of the cage. I gotta make sure that every jack is in the same point. So that way we know, okay, here is 100% level, but now we gotta make sure the physical car is level on the jack stands.
Right.
Because then I can tack that, finish it, we finish the car goes on the floor, then that could be off. Now I can make the top bar. I kind of want to do like a funky design. I want to do something different than a lot of other people. Everybody has the same thing or copying somebody else.
Do something that stands out.
Yeah, so, you know, between me and Mikey, we'll figure out a little, how to be a little different and make something there. I mean, of course, we gotta, you know, it's gotta work, you know what I mean?
Right.
Want to make it safe as possible. God forbid an accident or whatever, at least the driver will be good and the front end would at least hold the impact, but, you know, once you reinforce something, you make something strong, the impact's going to be harder because now nothing can crush.
Right.
As long as the driver is safe, that's what we're worrying about right now.
Yeah.
Also, I want my brother.
You're like he about to say something.
I'm not saying nothing. I'm not messing with him neither. He gonna have me on the 5 and the 10 o'clock teams out there.
What's going on, bro?
Right now, bro.
Looking smooth.
What up, Ryan?
You have Spanish?
He's Asian.
That's why. We got the slick hair, you know what I'm saying? You got the slick hair. Yeah, I just got in a 3D printer a little while ago.
We talked about
Big one, so.
nice, man. You know what? You do real good work, man. I like this.
Now this car is gonna have a CD7. I'm trying to have him go fuel tech, but
He does.
I mean the car did great with the AEM, you know what I mean? So
Good
I could be
work.
able to make a bezel now that'll be able to go off of the cage.
You do good work.
We get crazy.
Yeah,
We get crazy.
Real low life. But you know, you do good work. You're real low life. Though. Scumbag. That's what puppy is. He's a dirty bitch. Yeah, I swear. You do real good work.
The CT Fab Bros.
I got something I need you. I'm gonna take you probably this weekend. I want you to see something.
Your car's running, right?
No. My car ain't running yet. Okay. This half of the motor is around the corner.
ENG.
Yeah, I just brought it there. So,
You got them assembling it?
not the motor.
Oh.
Just the head. So I'm ready.
That's my guy over there, bro. You gotta be like, yo, bro, Will sent me over here. Get you in and out quick.
I'm ready, yo.
Oh, we need him behind the seat, right?
Yeah.
Lightweight.
Yeah, Marcel the driver. look at that smile. Look at that
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready.
You already know he nasty. He nasty for him to be 8.
You be letting him drive?
Yeah, I do. I don't care.
That's how I be, bro. My son, this year, you're going to be driving the Mirage. I'm going to make a couple passes, try to hit a record, and then let him do what he do.
I need one.
So what if the brake or whatever? I don't care, bro. It break, we fix it and go again.
What motor goes in?
A 1.8, well, a 1.5 liter, basically like a 1.5 single cam.
In this?
Yeah.
No, not what belongs in it.
Oh, what I have in there?
Yes.
Oh, V6, 3.8 liter.
3.8 liter. See, now we talking.
Yeah.
I don't know. Don't want to
One
do
is
secret.
I want to say 92 millimeter piston. Basically, what all these like 106 dudes and everything are doing. Not even, they're doing like 90 millimeter on the K series, bro. You got a big piston.
Yeah, that's a piston.
So we call a big motor soga. This right now, bro, will literally take me a day to put together. I literally just I'm gonna take the motor out, go through the training. I always had a problem with second. Go see the wiring guy. We're gonna go wire up a couple things. I gotta add a couple things that, you know, we can't tell some people because you know, everybody gonna wanna, oh yeah, I came up with, I was gonna try that first. I was gonna do this, I was gonna do that.
We're gonna take it to the track. We're gonna have a good time.
Go 9s with stock pistons.
Yeah, I'm drunk cheering for you. I might fight a nigga too. You know, it's gonna be fun, baby. 2026
and then by the end of the year, you know, maybe, you know, something from this company is gonna go on the car, you know.
FCS.
A sponsorship coming up.
No sponsorship. I mean, it'd be nice, but I already have it, so it's too late for the sponsorship. I already got the part, you know.
Sponsor. Anyone want to sponsor me? Sponsor me. Okay. I'll put you a part and I'll represent it. And if it's good, it's good. If it's trash, I'll let you fucking know.
Well, I'm telling you,
car green before?
initially, this is a whole new shell.
Yeah.
But the previous car was green, yes. But we're changing everything up. We're trying to do everything differently. Forged carbon. So I was told I should have the roof for next month. So when I get the roof for next month, I can literally put the roof on, call my glass guy, he'll pull all the Lexan back on. I usually do the Lexan, but you know, we work hand in hand. He does a lot of glass work for me for like windshields and everything. So he's good at installing Lexan too. I don't try to do the Lexan with rivets or nothing. Like he straight glues it on and it ain't going nowhere. Like previous Jelly Bean, all the front and the rear Lexan is all only glue. Like it ain't going nowhere. Like you don't need to be putting rivets or anything like that. As you can see on this, we had to put rivets with little brackets. But
I really like the way that dudes are taking it. Like, I feel like it might be mainly old school heads kind of more, and then like the younger generation is kind of like straying towards shit, but they're taking these old cars. And remember, we didn't give a fuck. Like back in like 2010, we come Mitch Mac doors, this, that, we ain't care, but now everyone's car is like show cars ready.
Everybody's trying to be more presentable this year.
Yeah.
I feel like in the past couple years, everybody's been more presentable. Matter of fact, we're gonna show y'all a sneak peek real quick. I'm not gonna say the full what's gonna be what color, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek on the color real quick. Y'all can have a little idea. You can look at the subframe real quick.
That's nice.
Quick little idea.
That's gonna be nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's gonna be fire.
Quick little sneak peek for them. That's not a regular red. It's not. That's not even like the Milano red. Okay, let's get it, push it to the side. Add it to the list.
It turns on.
Oh, it turns on? Just put it over here real quick so I can get the white one out.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. That's my son.
That's my next door neighbor.
Around like neighbor.
He's like, yeah, gay ass nigga, that's my son.
My son, bro. Little Jeremy.
All right, Brody. Fuck you, Jerry.
5 and 10 o'clock news. Fuck him up. Fuck baby. They keep talking shit. I don't bother nobody. I came here spreading love, peace, and happiness, and all they do is just say slick shit all the fucking time. All the time. I got my kid in front of me. He's ready. He gonna stab one of y'all niggas. That's what it is.
You look like a YN right now, too.
Shoot the shit out of him.
Little nigga fly.
Check him out. Check him out. Check him out.
That shit will always come with the fucking butter, you know what I mean? So you put on the 3D printer to not put a close?
So
So then what happened was I stopped it halfway because it started to get fucked up right here.
Yeah.
So
Also, it would have closed it off.
yeah, it would have closed it off, but I made it to where
I mean, all you need is the inside anyways.
it's not that much strength on it. So I could have made it a little bit stronger, but I said fuck it. And now I just gotta make it a little bigger, and when I make it out of steel, it's not gonna take twice as long.
Oh, now we can make the fucking bezel with the 3D printer.
Yeah.
And he got the CD7, so it's a big one, and we got the bigger printer now, so.
I'm excited.
Say, I can make your own branded fucking shit, you know?
Bro, I didn't notice until earlier. This is 3D printed, so I'm gonna see if I can find the magnets where they bought the magnets online
We can make
and
more.
build the same thing. We'll go fucking 4, 5, 6, 7 cents.
Let me lift it up and I'll tell you exactly on this.
So I'll let you know something.
It shouldn't be too bad.
We can literally, what's the hardest hardware? Magnet that's V to be able to fit in here, and then a fucking nut in a bolt.
It's just harder at that point.
Because this already has the opening, you just gotta put the same fucking bolt size on there, so which is probably a 10 millimeter or an 11.
Alright, it's been about like 2 weeks since I've been here because the nigga got sick, but we back. And also, Bebo done broke his camera, so get a little update on Jelly Bean. And so what's the update with Jelly Bean? I haven't been here in like 3 weeks because the nigga got sick.
Well, we started with the front end. We got the floating headlights. My brother knocked these out already.
Even gonna give you a better
He's gonna
deal
be
than
doing
normal.
a
Download the free upside
rail
app.
right here.
Simply use code Cletus.
Still got a little bit of detail to do to it. And then we're gonna be using this for the hood.
Not just your first
Since it's a
fuel up,
skin hood.
or your first two fuel
We're gonna put them on with these Zeus fasteners. It's the new ones that they made now. So some little Zeus fasteners now. Now it's basically remove one, put it in the pocket. It ain't like back then that use a flathead and they stay together now. We're gonna be trying those new ones out. But yeah, he's on vacation right now. I'm finishing everything else along the shop. I'm working on this all-wheel drive hatch right now. Once I get a little going on that one, I finish that one. Then I gotta do the doors on the hatch, make them roll up windows for the carbon fiber, and then get back onto the cage with this. You can see we got a little more done with the cage. I got the bar across already made. I gotta make the crossbar. And then do the door bars, do the X's. We should be golden. And from there it gets spicy, you know, to the engine bay, you know.
I have been telling people, Brody do it all, yo.
Pour it in, everything. Cut it open, roll it back up.
Takes all the air from the front.
Yeah,
so we had to
Brody do it all.
Little bit of, you know, a little bit of everything.
Show them the logo. That logo tough.
So factory, the air comes in here, hits the.
But we'll get back on that with the smaller logos. They're a little bit thicker.
I swear
A
the
little more in
guys
detail, so
they've got it figured out.
Yeah, so
just be on that soon.
it's got a gasket or a.
That logo fire.
I've been thinking
The
like
whole thing is the filter.
It's a big dog.
doing a big stencil on the
Hell
3D
yeah.
printer,
Are you ready, Jackson? Or you want to win
and then
it?
doing it like the cutout on the bumper.
That'd be tough.
You know what I mean? So it'd be
Yeah.
like FBF on the bumper. Me and Hot Fries are sponsoring me real quick. Let's show them it's all-wheel drive car.
Really loud.
Gotta do a sump. Now I just gotta do a couple holes. If you weld it on right now, you ain't gonna be getting no gas out of there.
Right.
Buddy of mine, Ash.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
This thing is gorgeous.
So far, did like the coupler. I did the part off the manifold right now. Now I just got to do some pies off the intercooler, attach it on there. I actually just got in the other pipe that I was waiting on, so now I can finish the cold side over here. Once I finish the cold side and I finish that, then we're on to the side exit. We're gonna put the return of the wastegate back into the turbo, but he's like, just send it to the floor. So I gotta do some reinforcement brackets on the dual fuel cells. I gotta do a reinforcement for this. They did the bar, but they didn't reinforce the bottom, so it's a little like wobbly. So, but, you know, beautiful car, so you know we gotta
Gotta make sure
keep it safe. You know, there's always somebody that's gonna come into the shop and oh dang, and the first thing they're gonna do is put their hand here, put their hand on the fender.
Yep.
People see a little dust on the car, they always want to touch shit, you know. So I'm trying to finish this as fast as possible, so I ain't got no in and out and nobody around anything. I hate people around cars.
Right.
If it ain't your car, you don't need to be touching it. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Simple as that. It ain't yours, don't touch it. Don't put your hand on it. You can look all you want. but don't touch it.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? People don't understand that. And, you know, cars in my shop, the liability is going to be me. It ain't going to be you, you know?
Right.
As y'all know, we going to Pan Am's. Working hard to make it there. Got the motor apart. 10-1. The piston melted, my boy.
And just that one piston, right?
Just one.
Just one.
I got a new one right there. You know what I mean? But I think I'm gonna stay quiet on this one.
Yeah.
We're gonna let the time speak for itself. We're gonna get it all on footage. Everything that I'm doing, we're gonna get everything on footage. After Pan Am's, we go ahead and reveal what we did, the changes, etc., etc., etc. But right now, I can't really tell too much because then, you know, you got all these copycats. You got everybody that, oh, I did that, it didn't work. Oh, I did this, it didn't work. Oh, yo. Then everybody trying to do what I'm doing.
Right. And that happened on the second pass, right?
The first pass, I lost power.
Yeah, the alternator gave out.
Lost power.
And then the second pass, that's when it gave out.
I hit that second pass and it was feeling weird. It came out crazy, but it was feeling weird. And right when I put forward, the whole motor changed completely. The whole sound, everything.
It was different.
The car felt like somebody just pulled me back with an elastic.
Damn.
But it's gonna look like somebody slingshotted me now. So if you end up on the side of this on Pan Am's, I'm fucking your shit up.
I let them know.
Look at it now, because next time you look at it, woof.
Whole different monster.
We coming.
Whole different monster next time.
2026 Pan Am's. We're just gonna shoot for a number without knowing what the number is. We're gonna see what it is and let Jamie do his thing. We're gonna see what's up, man.
Hell yeah.
I hope y'all ready.
Yeah, they ain't ready.
For 1,000 coming. You know what I'm saying?